Can you hear that sound? All of these systems, when they create fire, they create water as a byproduct. Water is going to collect inside of this pipe, and it has to go somewhere. Let me tell you right now, that's not where it's supposed to be going. Somewhere along this pipeline, there's water collecting inside of it, and it's choking this thing off, and it's not running the way it should as a result. This cover off originally because every time this thing would fire up, it would burp flames out of it, and it's because it can't actually force the air out the way it's supposed to. A bunch of safety equipment on here that's supposed to prevent that from getting any worse than it has. I'm sure eventually this is going to start malfunctioning and won't fire up when it should. So you cannot do this. This is not okay.